Every service, every moment, every broadcast. Your moments deserve to be captured with quality. Meet the Tenveo AI Auto Tracking PTZ camera, delivering Full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second with 30 times optional zoom plus 8 times digital zoom. From the pulpit to the back row, every detail comes alive. And paired with the Tenveo NDI Joystick Controller, you're in complete command. Its 4D joystick gives you a smooth plan, tilt, zoom, and focus control, all at your fingertips. With a built-in 5-inch LCD real-time preview screen, see your angles instantly, switch between cameras, and set presets without guessing. Supporting different kinds of inputs and outputs, NDI, PoE, VISCA, Pelco-D, RS422, RS485, and RS232, this controller integrates seamlessly into any workflow, from small charts to large productions. Together, the Tenveo PTZ camera and joystick controller deliver professional-grade quality and effortless control, making it very easy for volunteers so you can focus on what matters the most. Tenveo, capture every moment beautifully.